Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making Indian street food called Aloo Chaat or potato chaat, just with a few ingredients but super tasty. For this recipe, we're going to need potatoes, salt, lemon juice, chaat masala, red chili pepper, and oil. Okay, I already turned on the stove so my oil can be heated up a little bit, and I cut my potatoes like this size, not too big, not too small, because we can do two things. I'm gonna fry because my kid who love aloo chaat want to eat as quickly as possible, but usually I air fry them. What I do for that, I add a little bit of oil and mix it up all together so my potatoes are coated with oil. Then I leave in the air fryer for a little bit until they are cooked. Then I make it. But there is a quickest way to make it. You can fry them. So today I'm gonna use the quickest way. Alrighty. I feel like my oil is hot. So we're gonna add all those potatoes in there. Healthier version is you air fry it. If you don't have air fryer, you can fry them. That way you can make it quick. And I want to give you another tip. When you cut your potatoes, leave in the water with a little bit of salt in there. Otherwise they're going to turn black and they not look pretty. Once you put your potato in the oil, keep your stove on medium so that way it can fully cook. We don't want them to be cooked from outside and uncooked from inside. And we want it to be perfectly cooked. And very careful when you drop in the oil. Sometimes if you're like, don't throw your potato from far. Just go close and then drop it. This recipe originally from the person who have a stall in New Delhi who was making a chaat in there. It reminds me him because these chaat I always ate from him when I was in New Delhi. So I never figured out how he was making. I never know what ingredient he was using, and I really love that taste. So I tried in my home one day and it turned out great. Then I figured out that's the exact taste from his chaat. So I wanted to share with you guys. I give this credit to that nice old man in New Delhi who was making that chaat. That was one of my favorite chaat there. So he's not on this earth. He passed away when we went last time, but his recipe is here and I'm choosing, and I figured out how he was making. Even I never asked him how what ingredient he's using. So basically this is my recipe because I choose my own ingredient, but taste is just like his chaat. And I remember whenever we were there on his stall, there was 1,000 people in the evening standing, and he was like super busy at that time. You can't even talk to him. People loved his charts. He make different charts, and I'm gonna show you another chart maybe in the future. It's an easy, quick snack, but it's spicy and tangy. That's why it's called a chaat. So look at the color. It's almost done. So why we fry them or air fry them? Then it just turn crunchy a little bit, like crispier from outside. For a while when I come from India, I was not figuring out how you make this because I always remember his chaat, and one day I tried and I feel like, wow, this is the exact same taste. Since that day, always I make this, and my son loved it. He usually don't like spicy stuff, but no, now he's good with this chaat. I'm adding some chili pepper, which is really amazing for him to eat, but usually he declined. Another thing you can do, if you don't want too much oil in there, you can higher the heat a little bit. That helps. It is very simple, just very yummy. I don't know, maybe it's me, but it's super delicious. If you love chaat, this is your thing. Alrighty, so we're done with that. Now we're gonna mix it all together. Okay, so for the next step, we put it in any bigger bowl and then we adding salt. Don't add too much at once, but yeah. Mix it, and then a little bit chili pepper. I will use my hand. Don't use your hand because it's chili pepper, but I am okay with that. So a little bit according to your taste. If you like more spicy, add more. If I make myself, I add more chili pepper, and then you add chaat masala. Then here is the trick started, because once you add the chaat masala, it's just amazing because it's a blend of different spices. I'm gonna show you maybe in future how to make chaat masala. You can buy from store, but I wanted to make my own. So we can mix it. What do? You can mix with a spoon, but what I do, I just toss it like this. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more chaat masala because it is good and my son loves it and it tastes amazing. Okay, then we can add our lemon juice. It was like this size lemon, but we'll see. If we need it, we can choose more, but I think it's plenty. So what we do, we just toss it. If you have a fork or spoon, you want to use it, you can do that, but I feel like this is the way how they make it. So it's all done. We're gonna pour it in the plate, then I'll be back. Okay, here is our very simple but super tasty aloo chaat ready to eat. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care.